Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to find old games you deleted on Android. Here are some steps to help you find and reinstall old games you deleted on Android. First, open the Google Play Store. Tap the Play Store icon in your home screen or app drawer. Tap your profile icon. It's in the top right corner of the Play Store. Tap Manage Apps and Devices. This opens options to view your app activity. Tap the Manage tab. It will show all apps linked to your Google account. Tap the filter icon. Choose Not Installed to see apps you downloaded but no longer have on your device. Scroll or use search. Look through the list or type the name of the game you want to find. Tap the checkbox next to the game. You can select multiple apps if you want to install more than one. Tap the download icon or install. Tap the install button next to the game to reinstall it. Wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, the game will appear in your app drawer, ready to play. Tip: make sure you're using the same Google account used when you originally downloaded the game. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.